So good day, guys. It's Brave here, and I want to give you a rundown on how I got this trade. I shared this trade on a group. I would also attach the screenshot to it. So I shared the trade on a group. Now made this call for me. The TP was here. So let me delete everything. Let me delete everything. I'll explain everything to you guys. So normally when I start analyzing, like I told you guys in my previous post, I focus on two things. One, my bias, and two, my liquidity. These are the two indications I look at whenever I want to take a trade, which is where are the liquidities at and what is the current directional move for that particular trade or for that particular pair. So on BTC here, I've been bullish. I've been bullish on BTC right from this place. I've been bullish here. I took a trade here somewhat last week. I didn't really post it because I just started doing this thing this year. I took a trade somewhat here last week, but I think that doesn't really matter now. Let's deal with what we have here. So from the daily, we can see that we are printing bullish candlesticks. We are printing bullish candlesticks. We are bullish. So how I actually cut the trade here was this week. This day closed and I went to H4 to look for my breakout. Yeah, I had my breakout here on H4 here. First, I had my first breakout. I had this zone that I was looking at. Okay, this was what I was actually looking at to buy from. This was what I was looking at to buy from. Turn this into a line chart. You can see. So that's exactly what I was looking at to buy from. To actually buy this market from. But like I said in my previous post that I don't like trying to enter the market too early or want to be the first person, the first people to get the first trade. No, I want to be that person that is certain that okay, this market is going in this direction before actually going, before actually entering a trade or placing any trade in that direction. So what did I do? When the market came, I wanted my confirmation, which is H4 rejecting H4. As we can see here, this H4 candlestick here rejected this H4 bearish candlestick here. So if something like this happen, I want to scale down to my H1 and see if there is a breakout. When I went to my H1 here, there's a clear breakout off of this OCL level, here, or RJB for SMC traders. For MS and RJ trader is an OCL level. So I had a push. I saw a push like this there, and the market closed above it immediately. I had my indication that I'm trying to buy. I got this trade on 15 minutes. Then I scaled down to 15 minutes because I already know that that's what I'm looking at. What I'm also looking at there is in line with my key level. I go to H1. It's in line with my key level. This is my key level here. That's my key level there. Why is that a key level? Someone asks. You can see how market reacted from it. This here now is a support down resistance here that finally turned support. As you can see from this place. And let's look at how market reacted on this place. Market came down to this zone. Let's start from the market came up to that range. Let me extend it. So you can see market came up to that range, rejected, came down to that range, rejected up. Came here also rejected, and finally breaking it impulsively here. So I just want to look for quick buys, and this was my CP here. CP was here. My CP was here. So I went to 15 minutes. I just scaled down to 15 minutes. Yeah, let me delete this thing. I scaled down to 15 minutes. Yeah. So this was that move. This was that push. Yeah, this is how that push closed. I just scaled down. What I wanted to say is how the market, if the market is going to come and take out this one, or the market will continue buying. So what we get, this market pushed up here. I had this liquidity zone. I can still scale that 5 minute, but Let me mark it before scaling down. I had this liquidity zone here, like this. So let me scale down 5 minutes. I had a liquidity zone there, and I have this nice block here, and my stop loss was just slightly below here. I just placed my entry, took my trade there long from that zone there. Took my trade there long. SL slightly below, just slightly below this whole range here, slightly below. Don't mind me, I do use magnets, so turn it off. Let's let SL was just slightly below here, like this, and my TP was here, like this. It was almost 5 hour trade, because this was where I was putting my just slightly below the. So this is exactly where I was putting my SL at the week here. So yeah. So